Introducing the new Silent Tornado window kit. Window-mounted extractor fans are an excellent option for installations where there isn't a suitable wall or ceiling mounting position. The downside to window mounting is that the majority of fan units designed for this type of installation are usually underpowered, under-spec'd and underwhelming in looks, with basic designs and functionality that just scrape above the minimum extraction rate required for bathrooms set by building regulations. However, this is now a thing of the past, thanks to the launch of the Silent Tornado window kit. The Silent Tornado units have been one of our best-selling ranges of extractor fans for over a decade. With powerful and quiet operation, the units come in a wide range of functionality, and their sleek design has made them a popular bathroom fan choice. You can check out our more in-depth look at the Silent Tornado range by following the link in the description below. The addition to the range of the new window kit now allows you to install a top-line extractor fan in your window. Suitable for installation in both single and double glazed windows from 4mm up to 43mm thickness, the STWK will fit existing cutouts or new installations between 110 and 140mm diameter. Check out the new STWK Silent Tornado window kit and the Silent Tornado range of fans now at extractorfanworld.co.uk.